Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Suswatima. My student ID is 25021040181. Here I want to tell you about 3 videos with a topic mapping meaning, the place that changed us. The first videos that I have to tell you is Mapping Meaning by Jonathan Spencer. Jonathan Spencer explained that places are not just a locations, there's a meaning to them. Jonathan Spencer explained that every place that we have lived in must have stories, memories, and emotions. Places also always have a power to change us, because some places maybe can make us feel safe, inspired, anxious, or connected. Our identity is also shaped by the environments, the people around us, the culture of a place, and the social interaction that happen can grow out of our relationship with a place. Jonathan Spencer's talk made me realize that our place can shape our character. Before this, I always thought that place was just a simple physical locations that always surrounded us. But then, after watching this video, I know that place always carries our stories, memories, and also emotions sometimes. The video also encouraged me to always think that place is not just a background in our life, but also an active part of our personal story. Places we have lived, whether the place that is always comforting us or maybe it's not, is always playing an important role in shaping who we will become to be. The second video is about How Buildings Shape Our Minds and Future by Joseph Santora. Joseph Santora explained that buildings and design of the built environment have an effect on the way we think, behaviors, and also our future. He says that spaces are not neutral. Every architectural choices, layout, and structural decision can influence us about how we feel, act, and connect with others. He also shows how well-designed buildings can encourage community, creativity, and also well-being, while poorly designed ones can restrict or degrade human experience. The reflection is, a long time ago before I watched this video, I thought the building was just a place to stay. But after I watched this video, I realized that buildings are not just as simple as that. Joseph Santora shows us that architecture also has a part to guide us in the way we feel, move, and also how to interact with others. The concept of buildings also carries values. The design also reflects how important society believes. I also realized that the places that I lived in actually support the kind of life that I want to live or how I wanted to become. I think I should pay more attention to every place or building that I step into. And then the third video, which is the last videos, is about place, identity, and transformation by David Adjaye. David explained to us how architecture and place are deeply tied to identity and social charge. He explains it based on his personal background, which says that he was born in Tanzania and has lived in multiple countries. He also says that some of his major projects also shows how building can tell stories of community and collective heritage. He says that architecture is not merely functional but transformative, which means it can democratize space bring people together and respect the social and historical narrative of place. And after watching the video, I realized how deeply places can influence our sense of belonging. Now, I understand that buildings are not just a structure, but also a part of culture, memory, and experience. It reminds me that every space is respectful to the people who lived in it. After hearing his ideas, I think I should be more aware and not anymore thinking that buildings is just simply a place that people used to stay, but also a place and a part of our life that holds our story and experience. And after watching all the videos, I discovered that place is not just a physical location. And building is not just a place that people usually use to stay, but place and building also have been a part of our life that, of course, also holds our beautiful story, moments, experience, and also our memories. Even though they explain it in different ways, the message is just the same. Place also being a part of us that also can shape us to the character we wanted to be. The first video shows us that places always have a power to change us because some places maybe can make us feel safe, inspired, anxious, and connected. On the other hand, the second video explained that the design of the built environment has an effect on the way we think, behaviors, and also futures. The last video also explained how architecture and place are deeply tied to our identity and social charge. Overall, these three videos helped me think that place can change us because of place also always being a part of life. This is all my reflection. Thank you for listening to my reflection. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.